If you're in need of Tesla-approved Model S collision repair in Bloomington, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At S&S Paint Body, we specialize in restoring your Model S after a car accident. Our team is trained to follow Tesla's strict guidelines to ensure your vehicle meets factory standards once repairs are complete. From repairing structural damage to replacing or fixing body panels, we use Tesla-approved parts and equipment for every step of the process. This includes recalibrating sensors, cameras, and other systems to make sure your Model S operates safely and correctly. We also repair aluminum body components using techniques specifically designed for Tesla vehicles. S&S Paint Body is equipped to handle paint refinishing with Tesla-approved paint, ensuring a flawless and accurate match to the original finish. Our technicians meticulously inspect their work at every step to maintain the quality you expect from Tesla. If your Model S needs glass replacement, we can also replace your windshield or other windows with Tesla-approved materials for safety and proper fit. We also address any issues with your bumpers, doors, and other external components. When you choose